you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Yes. My buddy, he does a lot of filming on YouTube and shit, so I wanted him to get a taste of some budget shit. Yeah. On low power. Yeah. So, all right, let's show him up. All right, Cam, I'm going to get back over there, but come find me.
Okay, I'll be back to you. All right. What you got running here, man?
4 C7 Crossfire 15s. Got two BMF 8Ks. I'm starting off wired off at 1 ohm, so it's very, very low power.
Okay.
Got 90 amp hours C-Max. Yeah. 6th order, it's tuned to 27 and a little below 53.
Yeah, so y'all got it looking real good in here. That was like the entry level right there, ain't it?
It's like mid-level.
Yeah, okay.
Mid-level, yeah. I'll give you
Another 15?
15s.
Okay.
Put you on like socks, put you on like my watch, put you on the block, you can get that off, put you on the right line, you can get that
Yes, sir. You can feel every note. Yes, sir, man.
DJ Rusticles. Trapaholics. Real trap shit. When I come on.
After y'all finish up,
Yeah.
I got one more Crossfire belt I want to put
Back here.
Little Dodge Neon.
Okay, I'll be back as soon as I leave you.
Yeah.
All right. This thing all right. I don't smell no.
Dude,
heating up or nothing.
I'm getting about, right now I'm probably getting 900 a sub. Because I'm wired at 1 ohm to start off with per amp.
Then the rise.
And rise, I'm almost at 3 ohm. So if I recone them to D2s.
What they like, dual 4?
These are dual ones. Yeah. So I started off with 1 8K, a half ohm, and then I added a second.
Okay, then you separated it.
Separated it.
And now you wire it up.
So yeah. And then rise is killing me.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm getting like 900 a sub.
Oh, not much at all. How many watts are they?
1600 RMS. But yeah, it's not getting nothing. So it's running really, really low power.
Appreciate it, man. What kind of alternator are you running out here?
Got a brand X390.
Right, I got the truck.
I got dual alt. One alt runs the Blazer, one alt just runs the system.
Okay, it's holding up good like that.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Now you there C-Max?
I got 90 ampere C-Max. Look back at it.
Ooh, that's looking good back here, man. Oh, yeah, it's nice right there, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.